Guys, I am looking like trash right now. Guys, these are my vitamins, so don't forget to take your vitamins because vitamins are like important. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm looking very ratchet for my intro and I'm like so sorry about that, but like I can't do anything about it, you know what I mean? So today I'm gonna glam myself up. I thought I'd do a get ready with me because I haven't done one of those in like a minute and like I like to do those. So as you can see right now, I'm looking like a -50. I hope to get to like a +5 maybe. But yeah guys, today we're gonna do a get ready with me. I'm going to go to shower and I'm gonna do my hair and I'm gonna do my makeup, then I'm gonna get dressed and then like, yeah, I hope I look Gucci coming to the socks at the end of the video, because if I don't then that's an issue. Hello. So I went to shower and the water was fine, and then I ran out of hot water, so here I am waiting for hot water. So after like the longest shower of my life, I'm going to do some skincare in my room. So first I'm gonna go with 30 plus SPF sunscreen for my face, because sunscreen is very important if you want to stay young. The next thing that I'm going to be using is another serum. Believe me guys, this serum is amazing. It has helped me with my acne, it has helped me with my scarring, and it brightens my face and it makes my face feel like a baby's butt. Like, it's really soft. This formula is like amazing. This is a company, I'm not going to say it, but because I kind of like read it and everything. So this is the serum that I'm going to be using now. So after that soaks in, I'm now going to go in with my moisturizer. This is aloe vera and vitamin E moisturizer, and I put a little bit because I put some serums on my face. I don't want it to overdo it. If you want to see a skincare routine by me, leave a comment down below, let me know and I will do one. So now I'm gonna go and blow dry my hair and I'll be right back with you guys. Now I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm going to be doing basic makeup, so I think I'm just gonna be doing my base makeup and that's about it. We're gonna go for that glowy kind of look. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Studio Professional Contour Kit. Hello, hi. So now I'm gonna go in with my Inglot HD Perfect Cover Up Foundation and the shade 79. We're only gonna use a little bit of it, not too much. Now we're gonna powder our face. Now we're gonna contour with some Hoola bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer ever, and I like to take like quite a big brush when I'm doing this kind of like natural. Bang. Hello. What the hell, I burped so much. Okay guys, so the last step is highlighter. I'm gonna apply highlighter with a decent sized brush and we're gonna just highlight. Bam, shabang bang. This is my finished look. Basically, this is what I do with my like natural makeup look. This is literally what I do when I don't want to wear like too much makeup but I still want to look somewhat decent. This is what I do. Hopefully I am a positive somewhat 5 in this video. I'm gonna go and try on this outfit of mine. I'm gonna show you guys and then we're gonna be fitting though. Hey guys, so this is my fit for today. I don't know how well you can see it because the lighting is terrible in here, but this is just a basic like black top that says The American Dream 1931, and then I have these pants, the tartan ones, and these cool ass shoes that I absolutely love. These are from Missguided. Got them a while ago back. Wow, that made 0 sense. Yeah, this is my outfit. Hello, sorry for my closet not being too clean. I am apologizing for it now. Literally, why is it not focusing on me? Like, I get your comments to the socks. Is there a ghost here? Hello? Oh my god, there's a I just got goosebumps. Oh my god. There's a backstory behind why I'm so like iffy about the like ghosts and all that jazz. basically I have ghosts in my room, so this was like my first time kind of seeing it on camera, I guess, so that's why I kind of reacted that way. Can you English ever? Absolutely. Yeah guys, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to see the videos coming up on my channel, because we got some good ones on the way. Love you guys. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you very, 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 very soon. Skadoodles.